Hello guys, today I'm back with another slime video. I finally have two. I only be using one today and I'm putting the other one up. I'm not using this one. I have 4 bottles. So you can see that I used 2. The other one are brand new. Wait, that really nice. I will be using the other one tomorrow. I still had the same old food coloring, but y'all be alright. So, I finally found the top to my slime. I just put this in here. Put that up. Oh, the other one. I was trying to let these two sit out, but it didn't work. So I'm unlucky. So when the pink, the green, the yellow, blue, and the green had put together, I stirred it around and it made this color. But it was a rainbow color at first. So it turned out so good. I might just let it sit here today. I was supposed to let it sit for 2 days, but I couldn't wait, so I had to play with it today. So this is still sticky, so I'm just gonna wrap it around my hand and then just take it out the bowl. So I'm just gonna put this up and let's get to the video. Okay, now I'm ready to get in the video, which is fun. Today I'll be making a red, which I love pink. So I'm just gonna be putting blue here. Oh. Remember I'm using Tide, the washing powder. Close it up. Put the red in here. 2 drops. 1, 2, 3 drops. Couldn't hold it. Okay. So I'm mixing it up again. I'm turning like into a reddish color. So need more Tide. Which I knew that. I put too much Tide in there, which y'all can see. So I guess this won't be turning out right today. The more Tide you put in there, the less stickier it will get. And the less slime you will get, because it'll mess up your slime, which is just messing up mine. So I'm finna take this part off the stick and I'm gonna grab it. Let it fail, which I'll be putting more glue in here. So I put a little more glue in there. I'm trying to get a the glue is not even working, it's just like sticking to the pencil. So this really is not turning out right. So I have to put some more glue in here. Which I'm glad I have towels. It's always dripping somewhere. See what happens when you mess up. I'll be putting some more food coloring in here to make it more pink. So it's getting red. So it's coming out right now because I put that food coloring in it. Okay, this is not turning out right, so I'll be back when I put it in the mold. So, now it's turning out right, because I just put a little bit of Tide in there, not to make the whole bowl messy. Ooh, it's turning out right. Yes, I watch Gila Health. If you do, you need to go watch it on your TV. If you have TV, like, you can't even watch little shows like ours, then, oh well, too bad, too sad. You better just find a way to watch it. If you hang the count, oh well. So I got out the bowl. So, guess who made this slime? It came out right. It's not sticking, which I'm going to be making another video in here.